She moves like a map with no borders, a whisper caught in the wind. I see her boots at the corner cafe with a notebook and a grin. She's chasing skies I've met.
Good morning! So this is our day 3 here at Siquijor. So parang, ay ang ganda ng ilaw dyan, no? Ganda mag-picture dyan, no? Tingnan mo.
Badur.
So ang agenda namin today is madami. Medyo malayo yung mga pupuntahan namin. So, 6:57 na. Magbe-breakfast muna kami para dire-diretso na. Parang next namin kain is lunch na. So, nagpagas na kami para dire-diretso na. Kasi 2 bars na lang yung motor. And kakain na kami ng breakfast. Let's go! Day 3
Sa Island Boy at Siquijor.
In languages I can't speak. She writes down cities on her wrist, in dreams she'll never keep. I sip my
First up, kakain muna kami ng breakfast. Nag-order ako ng nilaga. Sila nanay, pork chop, munggo.
Maybe next year in Madrid or on some quiet mountain ridge, I'll see you turn and I'll be brave.
Dito kami sa Talinting. Nagpipicture lang kasi ang ganda ng view.
Balis mo!
Afraid of fate.
Walang against the light tayo.
That step today, you'll vanish with the train, and I'll never see your smile.
Pero kakain na sa kanya.
sa'yo.
On the way na kami sa Kalahan Falls. Ay, ito po.
Yan.
Lapit na kami sa Kalahan Falls. Pwede pa rin ipasok yung motor dito. Nay!
Ang cute ng pateo. Ang cute. Hello.
Layo pa pala pag doon tayo mag-park. Adventure siya guys, lubak-lubak ang kalsada.
Pumunta sa falls. Tabi-tabi po.
Daan ba dyan?
Wala lang mga daan.
E di, lulublob na tayo sa tubig.
Bakit tayong tour guide? Sabi ko,
Wait lang.
so guys, we're here already. And
Asan na tayo na?
sa nagdaang tayo'y magmumoto.
May bayad dito and may entrance fee na 50 pesos per person. Talag. Dito ngayon may talon-talon na eh. Dito tatalon na tayo. Di tayo nakatalon kahapon eh.
Stapler.
Ganda ng kulay ng tubig. The sea is calling.
Shit. Ganda.
Ten, 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 praise the Lord.
Ganun pala.
Grabe yung kulay ng tubig.
Dito nag-taping sila
Anite.
Not okay. Okay.
Sobrang ganda ng beach.
Gosh, so pretty. Very giving.
Oh my God. See? Sobrang ganda. What can you say?
Again, breathtaking.
Walang ibang word.
Naparilap tuloy. Hindi na kita masadamayan. Dati kasi, nasadamayan ko.
So, nag-order ako ng katas ko na mag-sunbathing. Mainit pero may hangin din kasi. Kaya,
Super. Ito pa lang yung medyo.
masarap mag-sunbathing.
Yeah. This one was lahat.
Order ako ng mango milkshake with ice cream. Pineapple.
Baka nakalimutan lang lagyan ng bago sila. Baka pag salagbo ang extra. Ang fruit shake. Grabe yung hindi ka naman.
Mag-convey ka.
Ibalik tayo.
Ano ito yung doktor na yun? Doktor.
So, this is the beach looks like in... Anong beach to? Salagyan Beach. Ganda. I feel like parang we have the beach to ourselves. Kasi there's not a lot of people. Plus, it's not very expensive. It's... I mean, the view is breathtaking. As just what Lee have said earlier. And it's peaceful. Malalim na dito. Uy, ang lalim.
Lovely nga dun.
Hihingali na naman tayo.
Bakit pa nangangangali pa naman mag-kampay ng
Kapag siya.
kampay?
Sabi ko yun. Yan! Punta kami doon, tatalon kami. Sa may clue. Hindi ko alam kung gaano kalalim yung maabot.
Good things are coming my way, 'cause I'm caught up in your breeze, yeah. Every day like a holiday, washed up on
Hindi
the
doon.
beach.
Bakit tayo nang binabaan?
Try to find a
Ayun, no?
love that feels like summertime. So turn it up, I wanna feel your heat. You got those summer vibes. Every time I see you with those sunny skies. Caught up in the current of your ocean eyes. Your waves are crashing over me.
Yung mga friend ko, ayaw tumalon. Mahirap siya, mukha siyang madali pero nakakatawa.
Feels like destiny. A love that feels like summertime. So turn it up, I wanna feel your heat. You got those summer vibes. Every time I see you with those sunny skies, I'm caught up in the current of your ocean eyes. Your waves are crashing over me. Your summer's coming early.
Mag-aano daw kami, tatalon daw kami tatlo.
Ako muna.
Nanay Purse.
Sunod.
Go!
Sunod!
Ano ba? Bakit ka sumunod?
Pero tara naka-slow mo.
Hindi dapat kayo, tatlo kayo sunod.
Hindi na natuloy.
Hindi na tuloy ang vlog.
Kasi baka magsalpukan daw kami. Ay ba?
Dito pa nahulog.
Dapat pala isang pahiga, isang patayo na video. Ha? Palipad na kami. Pupunta na kami ng Secret Beach. We had so much fun here though.
Hindi ko na nakasama ng sige ho. Nadampot ka
Standing on the highest ledge, right on the world's most windy edge, and making a brand new pledge to never live my life in fear, to make my purpose crystal clear. The reason that I'm standing here, my heart is beating like a drum for all the things that are to come. Take a breath and make the leap, a promise I will always keep.
We're on our way to Secret Beach. Dire-diretso na. Marami na tayong na-miss na na spot.
Do pa hipak mo.
So, papunta kami ng Secret Beach.
She moves like a map with no border.
Itong pagbagot tayo nito mamaya. Pag-akyat.
I see her boots
Talagang mapapaapat na kanina naman ako sa...
with a notebook and chasing skies
Thanks, my dog.
never name, while I stay in my lane. But something in the way
What can you say about the
Din tayo,
Secret Beach?
naglakad tayo, gutom tayo dun.
Literal na breathtaking.
what I hold inside. If I don't ask your name today,
Andito na kami sa Secret Beach. May picture-picture lang kami. Kasi haabulin pa namin yung iba naming spot na pupuntahan. And maganda naman siya. Maganda siya, pero parang for me, mas maganda yung sa Lagdoong. Kuan, may mga cottage, pero even the cottage, mayroon siyang fee na 50 pesos. Siguro ang pinaka main highlight ng beach na to is yung balsa, pinandon. Yung mag-rent ka daw ng drone para makakaroon ka ng video na nasa balsa ka. So siguro yun, maganda siya dun. So anyways, paakit na kami. Punta naman na kami ng Monkey Beach after. So update ko kayo later kapag ka nasa Monkey Beach na kami. Hi! Ay, ano yun? Wait. So nandito na kami sa Monkey Beach. Another entrance, 100 pesos again.
Pero environmental.
For environmental fee.
Pero walang bayad sa park.
Sa parking nila daw fee. So may babaan ulit. Bababa na naman, tas aakyat na naman.
if I don't ask your name today, I may never get the chance.
Mamaya na guys.
Next year, in Madrid, on some quiet mountain ridge, I see you turn and I'll be brave. If courage comes to life, I'll travel. The world is your
We are on our last destination, Cambugahay Falls. Ah, wow, ang ganda. Ganda dito guys. The water is watering. Ang haba niya, ang lawak hanggang dun pa. Yun yung famous ferry walk nila.
She's chasing skies I've never met while I stay in my lane. But something in the way she moves keeps pulling at my chain.
Parang paraiso to.
You carry the sun in your stride.
Trips.
Parang lost. Lost.
Hindi na kayo ng energy namin. Enjoy na lang kami ng water.
She hums a tune I've never heard in languages I can't speak. She writes down cities on her wrist and dreams she'll never keep. I sip my coffee, miss my cue, still anchored by my fear. But time rolls on like open roads, and soon she won't be here.